I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now. Now, years later, small amounts of savings have at least gotten to the point where it's like, oh, you get to the point where you're like, I have a comfortable amount of savings where shit could go wrong and I'd still be okay. And that's what Bitcoin gives people is if you're patient and you have your wits about you and you just modestly work hard, spend less than you earn, and save in Bitcoin, then after a few years, you start going, oh, geez, like I've got my life in order in terms of my finances. I'm spending less than I earn, and I'm saving in an asset that doesn't depreciate against everything over the long term. And I mean that in and itself, that change in your life is significant. Again, if you can stomach the ups and downs and you don't make rash decisions because of them, it also centers you. Like Alex, you were saying, you're a much more calm person. You know, it takes a Bitcoin bull and bear run to smooth things out a little bit for you. Like you're gonna, again, you go through these ups and downs, and it centers you a little bit. It makes you a bit more rational. It makes you step back and say, what's the important thing here? You know, does Bitcoin still function as I thought it functions? Do I understand as much as I thought I understood? As long as that remains true, then you just go on about your business. You keep doing what you were doing and ignore the short-term noise, right?